Central Arkansas, Central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, north central Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located near Humnoke, or 14 miles west of Stuttgart. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include DeVos Bluff, Clarendon, Alum, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Rowe, Pepper's Landing, Parker's Corner, Palmer, Humnoke, Holly Grove, Dobbs Landing, Brummett, Allendale, Tollville, Slovak, Seaton, Pine City, Keevil.
Maybe double header, please, please, please. I knew it. This is for Arkansas County, Cleveland County, Jefferson County, and Lincoln County.
Yeah, and maybe the Little Rock one, or it could be the Memphis. This depends on how far it covers.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas.
You may get triple header.
Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northeastern Cleveland County in southeast Arkansas, western Arkansas.
No, we won't get one of those.
Until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 7 miles west of Phoenixville, or 10 miles northeast of Ryman. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Woodville, Whitefield, Richardson, Nebo, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Linwood, Langford, Grady, Phoenixville, English Lake, DeWitt, Cottondale, Elmira, York